Welcome back to Test and Quiz, the ultimate hub for tests and quizzes. Welcome to the Australian Citizenship Practice Test. This is Practice Test 1, focusing on Australian values. You'll have 20 questions to test your knowledge. Let's see how many you get right. Are you ready? Let's begin the test. What are the core values that underpin Australian society? A. Freedom, respect, fairness and equality of opportunity. B. Wealth, status and power. C. Obedience, tradition and conformity. The correct answer is freedom, respect, fairness and equality of opportunity. Why are Australian values important for the country? A. They help people become wealthy. B. They ensure people can live freely and peacefully. C. They encourage competition over cooperation. The correct answer is they ensure people can live freely and peacefully. What is the significance of Australian citizenship? A. It allows people to live in Australia without following any rules. B. It means upholding and living by Australian values in daily life and the community. C. It guarantees financial support from the government. The correct answer is it means upholding and living by Australian values in daily life and the community. Which of the following is not an Australian value? A. Respect. B. Fairness. C. Discrimination. The correct answer is discrimination. Why do many people want to become Australian citizens? A. Because Australia has no rules to follow. B. Because Australian values create a secure and prosperous society. C. Because citizenship provides free housing for all. The correct answer is because Australian values create a secure and prosperous society. What does the rule of law mean in Australia? A. Laws only apply to certain groups of people. B. All Australians are equal before the law and no one is above it. C. Laws can be ignored if no one is watching. The correct answer is all Australians are equal before the law and no one is above it. Why is it important to obey the law in Australia? A. To maintain a peaceful and orderly society. B. To avoid paying extra taxes. C. To impress others. The correct answer is to maintain a peaceful and orderly society. What happens if you break the law in Australia? You may face penalties. B. You will be given a warning and allowed to continue. C. You can ignore the law if you disagree with it. The correct answer is you may face penalties. Who must follow Australian laws? A. Only citizens of Australia. B. All people in Australia, regardless of background or culture. C. Only those who agree with the laws. The correct answer is all people in Australia, regardless of background or culture. When should you follow Australian laws? A. Only when police officers are present. B. Only if you think the law is fair. C. At all times, even when no one is watching. The correct answer is at all times, even when no one is watching. What type of government system does Australia have? A. Monarchy. B. Parliamentary democracy. C. Dictatorship. The correct answer is parliamentary democracy. Who determines the laws in Australia? A. The Prime Minister alone. B. Parliaments elected by the people. C. The Governor-General. The correct answer is parliaments elected by the people. What does voting in Australia represent? A personal choice with no legal obligation. B. A fundamental responsibility of Australian citizens. C. An optional activity that has no impact on governance. The correct answer is a fundamental responsibility of Australian citizens. Where does the power of the Australian government come from? A. The Prime Minister. B. The military. C. The Australian people. The correct answer is the Australian people. Why is voting compulsory in Australia? A. To ensure all voices are heard in a democracy. B. To increase government control over citizens. C. To make elections more difficult. The correct answer is to ensure all voices are heard in a democracy. What does freedom of speech in Australia mean? A. People can express their ideas freely within the bounds of the law. B. People can say anything without any legal consequences. C. Only the media has the right to express opinions. The correct answer is people can express their ideas freely within the bounds of the law. Which of the following is true about freedom of speech in Australia? People can say or write anything, even if it promotes violence. B. People can express their views, but promoting violence is illegal. C. Freedom of speech allows false allegations to be made legally. The correct answer is people can express their views, but promoting violence is illegal. Which of the following is not allowed under freedom of speech in Australia? A. Peaceful public protests. B. Making false allegations. C. Discussing political ideas. The correct answer is making false allegations. Why is peaceful public protest important in Australia? A. It allows people to express disagreement without fear. B. It encourages violence against the government. C. It is only allowed for certain groups of people. The correct answer is it allows people to express disagreement without fear. Which of the following is a limitation of freedom of speech in Australia? A. People cannot criticize the government. B. People cannot promote violence or encourage breaking the law. C. People cannot share opinions on social media. The correct answer is people cannot promote violence or encourage breaking the law. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And practice more tests from our playlists.